And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a download icon in Illustrator. Let us select the ellipse tool. We want to have a black stroke and no fill. Hold shift and we will draw a perfect circle. We'll increase the stroke width maybe to 5 points. Let me align it properly. Now I'll activate the rounded rectangle tool. I'll hold Alt after I've identified the center and I'll give it a black fill and no stroke. Maybe I resize it a little bit. I hold Alt when I do so. And I'll make it a bit thinner. Once more I'll hold Alt. Problem is, when you've got that rounded rectangle tool, you can only increase or decrease the size according to the angle of the corner. As you can see right here. So if I want to make it thinner, I first have to play around with the angle, and now it works. Let me reposition it with the arrow keys, and now I'll activate the rectangle tool. I go to the center position once more. And I'll center it. The smart guides help me with that. Now I'll activate the start tool. I use the arrow keys until I've got a triangle. Now I'll rotate it holding shift and I'll reposition it. This needs some resizing as well. Let me reposition the rectangle using the arrow keys. And I'll resize the triangle further, holding Alt. We can now connect the shapes using the shape builder tool. It's a small little detail, but this is our final result. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.